There are plenty of ways to communicate a message. The trick is choosing the right format to effectively get your message across. In our technology-dominant world, the video remains incredibly popular, and it's not hard to see why. It's easy to digest, it's versatile, it's engaging and entertaining, and easy to share across multiple platforms. And today, anyone can pull together a good quality video with a handheld camera or smartphone and a computer. Before you get started, however, there are a few basic tips to ensure your video looks and feels slick.
Tip number 1, plan ahead. Before launching into your video, you need a solid understanding of your purpose. What are you actually trying to achieve by making this video? Know your audience. Are they researchers, end users, members of the community? Your language, style, and graphics will vary depending on who you want to watch your video. Plan your storyboard or write a script. This will help you ensure you deliver your message effectively and will help in planning your shot list. And a few tips when writing a script. Avoid acronyms and keep your explanations short. If you want your video to reach a broad audience, the language needs to be accessible for everyone. And keep it short. Experts recommend marketing video on YouTube, which is basically what you're doing in promoting your research. Should be about 2 minutes long. The top 3 videos on ACE's YouTube channel under 2 minutes in length.
Tip number 2, shoot like the professionals. These days, our mobile phones can take great high quality videos. If you're going to use your phone, however, remember always to film in landscape mode. Don't use the zoom function, as your shot can become pixelated. If you need to get closer, simply move the camera. Put your phone in airplane mode. You don't want a message from your mum ruining the perfect shot. Use a tripod. This will ensure a steadier shot. Consider your lighting. You don't need to hire Fox Studios, but do your research. Outdoors is better shot on a cloudy day, or if you're indoors, use a room that gets plenty of natural light, or use ceiling or plug-in lights. And record your sound separately. This will allow you to insert your soundtrack separately to improve audio levels for better quality sound. You can simply do this using the Voice Memos app on a smartphone.
Tip number 3, think about other media. Mix things up by using different pieces of footage or other media like photos, text and graphs. No one wants to watch a video of someone talking to camera the entire time. Make sure you get B-roll footage of you interacting with your research and other researchers. When using images, make sure they're interesting and high enough in resolution or else they'll look blurry. And you're displaying content like graphs, diagrams and text, make sure the audience has enough time to read and digest the information and the text is actually legible.
So there you have it. Some points that might seem obvious, but are invaluable in turning your video into a polished piece. When you're ready to pull together your final video, there are some great, easy-to-use programs available. Adobe Premiere Pro is a fantastic service, however it comes with a price tag. The free movie making programs on Mac and PC do just as great a job. For Mac, you have iMovie, and for PC, download Movie Maker. And happy video making!